Hello everybody, happy to be here. So in this video I'm going to go over stock API, Alpha Vantage, and it's a good practice to make API requests and to use Pandas in Python. So to get started, what we're going to do is we are going to open up our prompt. So I'm going to go to my Anaconda prompt and I'm going to cd into my desktop because this is where I run my files, and then I'm on Windows, so I'm going to type in pip install alpha vantage, and it should say that the requirement is already satisfied, and once that's done we should be good to go. So now what we're going to do is we are going to import pandas as PD, and from alpha vantage dot time series import time series. Okay, and the next step is you will, to get your Alpha Vantage API key, you will go to their website and you just click get your free API key today. And since I already have my API key, I'll just show you this here, and you just fill out this information and click get free API key. And so how you'll populate that is API key is equal to, and then you'll just place it in here. Mine is, I've already ran it through the cell, and I'll take this out. It was just for demo purposes, and you guys can place, using this format, place your API key here. So the next step will be we'll run this cell just to make sure everything's good. Okay, and now we will start off with TS is equal to time series key equal to API key, and this is the API key that we had mentioned earlier, comma output format is equal to pandas. Okay, so let's move down a line. Next we are going to have our data, comma meta data is equal to ts dot get, and for this first example it is going to be get daily because I'm going to be getting the daily information for a specific stock. So daily, and then we are going to put symbol is equal to, and then AMD. Okay, comma output size is equal to, you can have either full, so that's going to return, so Alpha Vantage goes back 20 years worth of data. So if you have the output size is full, it'll be that full 20 years. But for this one, I am going to do compact, and that's going to be the last 100. So since we're doing a daily, it's going to be the last 100 days. And let's give this a print. So print data, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so starting in April, we have the date and each column, the open, high, low, close, and the volume. And it says it's 100 rows by 5 columns. Okay. So the next function that I'm going to show you is going to be using the technical indicators, and what we're going to do is add in from alpha vantage dot tech indicators import tech indicators. Okay, and then we are going to have ti is equal to tech indicators, and same thing, it's going to be key equal to API key output format equal to Pandas, and then it's going to be data meta data equal to ti.get, and for this one we are going to use the RSI function. So RSI, and it's going to be symbol equal AMD. Okay, and interval equal to daily and series underscore type is going to be equal to close. So what we can do here is we can run this, and spelled that wrong, so let's give it another run. Okay, everything's good there. And what we're gonna do is we can print this data so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is going to give us the full list going all the way back to 1999, and these are going to be the RSI values, and it's interesting to see what the RSI values were for each day from the closing period, and that is 5,013 rows with the 1 column RSI. So hopefully this video helped you understanding the Alpha Vantage and how the functions work. So the get underscore RSI and the get daily TimeSeries data. And for reference, here is the Alpha Vantage API documentation. And this is really useful when you are looking for a function, say like RSI or like the moving averages. And I hope this video helped. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day.